By the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your dreams into your reality with a simple cut and paste. I'm Alina Nazari with the Advisorist team, and today we're going to talk about how planning and organizing will help you stay on track and help you achieve your goals. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button below for more great videos on lifestyles and biohacks. Some people in life are dreamers and some people are doers, and some people fall right in between. If you're like me, you're a little bit of a dreamer. Okay, fine. I'm a big dreamer. Actually, I'm a huge dreamer. I even have a sign that sits on my desk in my office that says dream. However, for me to turn these big dreams into my reality, I need to plan and organize. Let me show you in this video my 3-step process for how I turn my big dreams into my reality. Step 1, create a vision board. These are your long-term goals. This is how you envision your life to be. Step 2, outline your daily to-dos of how you'll achieve these goals. Step 3, create weekly or monthly goals. These are your short-term goals. So the first step to plan and organize to get you on track to reach your goals is to create a vision board. This is my vision board. Now, it doesn't have to be pretty. It doesn't have to be on a framed cardboard or anything like that. It just has to be anything that you can find images and stick onto. So this is the one that I use, and as you can see, there are some blank spaces. It doesn't have to be complete. You don't have to find all of the images right away. This is a work in progress. As you see images that speak to you, cut them out and stick them on. Fill in the blanks. I found this image of some kale that can go perfectly over here. And this is something that I found today. So you want to make sure that your vision board is very specific to you. You don't want to just have broad ideas on there. You want to envision the house that you specifically want to be in. So it actually took me a while to find the specific house that I wanted to be in, but this is it. It even says new construction because that's what I want. I want to just move in and pick out what furniture I want to go in there. Another goal of mine is to be really fit. I don't just mean lose a couple pounds. I mean, I want to look like this girl. So when I saw her image in a magazine, I knew that I had to cut it out and put it on my vision board. I want abs like that. I want to eat like that. I want to look like that. So I look at this every single day, and those days especially that I don't want to work out, I don't feel like eating clean, I look at my vision board and it's a reminder that this is where I want to be and this is what I have to do to get there. Other things that I have on there is organize your life. I wish this one was a little bit bigger actually, because this one I need a reminder of all the time. I tend to hold on to things that I shouldn't hold on to, and studies show that the more you declutter things around you, the more you're able to stay focused and on track to reaching your goals. So just a few other things I have on there: feel good, crazy happy life, cash is queen. I have money on here because I'd like to be able to make more money. I have kombucha on here, which is great for your gut. It's a probiotic, so it's just a reminder for me to make sure that I'm eating clean and taking probiotics, vitamins, things like that. And again, this should be specific to you, and it's a work in progress. I hang this up in my office so I can look at it every single day. Step 2 in helping you plan and organize your life and reach your dreams is to create a daily outline of what you should do every day to reach your dreams that you have on your vision board. So as I said, one of my dreams that I have on my vision board is to be super fit. So I have this huge whiteboard here, and I like that it's this big because it's right in my face. I cannot miss it. I can't avoid this thing. And I outline every single day what I'm going to eat, how I'm going to start my day, when I'm going to work out, and just what my day will look like. So there's no guessing game. I don't have to worry about what my breakfast, my lunch, my dinner is going to be. I've already outlined it here, so I can just look at it and know, okay, it's 6 a.m., I'm going to eat 2 eggs with a bell pepper. I also have what days I'm going to work out and the workouts that I'm going to do. Again, anything that you can do to take out the guessing game will help you plan and organize and put you right on track to reach your goals. The third step in my 3-step planning and organizing process is to have a weekly or monthly to-do. Now, I like to put it on a whiteboard again because studies show that when you have something in front of you that you can look at every single day, you're more likely to stay on track to reach your goals. So these weekly or monthly to-dos are basically a task list. This is what you need to accomplish every week in order for you to reach the big dreams that you have on your vision board. So they should be very specific to you. For example, I have meet 3 new people per week. I want to expand my network. As I said, I want to eat a little bit healthier, so I have drink kombucha 3 times a week, which is great for your health. That's something that I have on my vision board. So I put for myself that my target is to make sure that I'm drinking kombucha 3 times a week, every single week. Now, research shows that when we actually write out what our goals are and we see them in front of us, we're more likely to hit those targets. And if you don't hit that target for the week, it's okay. That should just make you work a little bit harder to make sure that you reach that target the following week or the week after. It lets you know kind of where you stand and what your pace is and what you need to do to improve for the following week to help you plan and organize. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on my 3-step process on planning and organizing to help you reach your goals. Let me know in the comments below if you use huge whiteboards like this that you have hung up all over your office or your house, or what you do to help you stay on track. And if you have a vision board or you're just starting to create a vision board, let me know what things you plan on putting on there. Remember that they should be very specific to you and your goals. As always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below for more great videos on lifestyles and biohacks.